potential W pattern with a breakout is imminent right now in the next couple of hours. So if this sounds interesting for you here on ICP on the 1 hour chart, then stay tuned. Also, we want to talk about my last video about ICP Internet Computer Crypto with the potential of a 49,000% move to $2,800 right from the launch. So later in this video we want to talk about also about this topic. So if this sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned, watch this video till the very end, and leave right now a comment what you think about Internet Computer ICP. Do you think this is possible? Do you think this is crap? So write it in the comments and let's dive straight into the chart. So we are here on the hourly chart, and as you can see, this is a potential W pattern. Let me show you the potential from this breakout with the neckline exactly here. So the potential is to up to $7.04 with the music on. Come on, music, go back. Okay, this is a potential move to the upside of, let's say, 7.4%, but first we have here at $6.87 the next resistance area. This comes actually from this one here. So here this was a couple of times good support for ICP. Then on the 10th of July, ICP broke down to it, retested, got a rejection again, and now if we can come up with ICP again to this level, this might be very interesting if ICP get a rejection again, or if ICP can break through it. So let me draw this for you again with my incredible penny skills. So if you break through it, retested it, come over the previous high, this is actually the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario is we see a pump, and then we roll over, get a rejection here at this level, and lose everything and go down forever. So just kidding. So this might be the bearish scenario. Also, here comes in another area of resistance. We're still on the hourly chart, and let's say this one is a bigger area. By the way, if you haven't seen my video about support and resistance, where is it? Here. If you haven't seen this video, check it out. It's 2 weeks ago. I made a video about 18 minutes long about support and resistance trading course. This is, by the way, completely free for you, and here you will learn how to draw and identify support and resistance levels. Now let's go back. So we are here on ICP on the hourly chart.